Okay, so for our last talk of the day on these OCA days, we have Souheil Bejaoui, tech lead at Axon and an active member of the Odoo Community Association. He serves as a PSC member for the contract, RMA and brand repositories. He is contributing to the design and maintenance of key community modules. And as a OCA delegate, he actively promotes open source collaboration and best practices within the Odoo ecosystem. And today he's going to talk about OCA RMA module managed returns in Odoo. Thank you.
Thank you for the presentation. Hello everyone. I'm happy to be with you this year again to talk about RMA. Returns are inevitable. People make mistakes. Customer can misplace an order. An operator can mix orders, or a delivery person can drop a package at the wrong address. The point is we can't avoid returns, and since they are inevitable, it's crucial to be ready when they happen. If we don't manage them well, costs can rise quickly, and worse, we risk lose customers about a bad return experience. That's why your ERP must handle this essential part of your business, giving you real-time data and insights to support better your customers. So before introducing the OCA way of managing return, it's fair to ask how Odoo manage returns. Well, in my opinion, it doesn't. Up to version 18, there is no dedicated app for managing returns. Each integrator has had to find their own workaround using existing apps. Most of the implementation I have seen rely on the enterprise help desk module, but this approach is far from ideal. Yes, you can track the return request through a help desk ticket, but there is no real stock management. Every operation, whether it's receiving the product back, sending a replacement, or handling the refund, has to be done manually in the inventory or the accounting app. And none of this action is reflected in the help desk tickets. You basically have to rely on people to remember to log every action on the help desk ticket. So what is the OCA RMA module? It's an open source module maintained by the OCA. The first version was created and maintained by Technitiva, and later Axon and BCIM brought major improvements in version 16. It works on top of sales, stock, purchase and accounting apps, and most importantly, it gives you the flexibility from a flexible framework to handle all return related process, returns, replacement, refund, exchange, and last month we introduced repair process. So this is a typical workflow. We start with a simple sale, the deliver, and sometimes products are returned by the customer for never what reasons. And here the RMI module step in to be decision maker, help the operator to take the decision what to do in this case. Is it a refund, directly replace or exchange the product, or it will be repairing the product before then sending back to the customer. We will see in the demonstration that we can combine this workflow as we need. So let me switch to the demonstration. Sorry. Like this, I can see the same thing in my screen. Okay. So this is the home page. We can see here a new icon for RMA application. Let's see the setting. We start with the settings. The most important part of the RMA. Okay, I will zoom a little bit. I think this is good. Okay, so the most important thing to know about RMA module is based on the operation. We define the operation that we can do for a returning request, and this operation will define the workflow we will have. So for this demonstration, I will show you basic one like replace or refund, and we will see also the repair operation. Here, this is the dynamic setting we can do. Here we can decide if we create a reception for this operation or not. For example, there are some type of returns where it's not worthy to return the product. We just refund the customer. So here I can say that I don't want to receive the product. And we have the same thing for delivery. We can, for example, in case of refund here, see that I receive my product, I refund the customer, but I don't deliver a replacement or an exchange. So this is the operations. I can define reasons reasons for why I can accept or not accept returns. So for this demonstration, I have defective product, wrong item shipped, damage in transit. This help to analyze why we are having so much return for this product, for example. So now let's see how it works. I have here, I will create a new sale order for this customer. My product is corner disk left seat. So I confirm, I go to the delivery and deliver my customer. So the customer call me and say there is a problem with the product, he wants to return it. So I have here new action, create RMA, and I select the reason that the customer declared. He say it's defective product and he wants to replace it with a new one. So I select the operation replace. I accept. When I accept here, I automatically redirected to the RMA document. Here I can see all the information that I collected from my sale order, and we can see here the importance of having a dedicated document for RMA. It's not like a help desk ticket. Here we have information that are very important to process this return. We can see the customer, the shipping address, the invoice address, and the original sale order and the picking. And here I have a receipt action to receive my product. So here it's an RMA in operation. I see here my product, so I can here accept it and receive it. And once receive it, here I have now the possibility to return the product to the customer with a new one. So I select return the product, deliver. I have now my delivery, and I can validate it, and it was easy, like you saw with me now, to manage the replacement process. I can see here the workflow from draft to return it, and here I have links to my delivery order and the receipt order. So let's see now the refund case. We will do the same thing, the same product. Corner disk. left. Okay. So let's confirm. I need to deliver it to be able to create the RMA. So here when I select create RMA, now it's a defective product, but the operation is refunded. He don't want replacement, he just wants his money back. Now if I am redirected to the RMA, I will speed up now because we saw this. So validate the reception. And now I have another button. It's not create delivery, it's to create a refund. It's simple. When I click here, I have the refund with all the information of my product and the money that I have to pay back the customer. Let's see now what we did to link the RMA process with the the repair process. This is the repair app, and this is the RMA app. I didn't show you the dashboard. Here I have my dashboard with different operations. So we can see here, so for the refund I have processed 2, for the replacement I don't see the one I did, so this is something I need to look at after the presentation. Now let's create a new order. It's for the same customer, same product. Left. And confirm, deliver, create an RMA. Defective product, and here it's a repair operation. When I accept here, I see that my RMA is linked to a repair order now, and if I access to repair order, I can find all the information collected from the sale order, the repair, the RMA. And this is something that helps people doing their work. They are not, they don't need to recreate data. It's linked, and this is the beauty of ERPs. Now, for my repair order, if you are familiar with the repair application, you will see that this preparation step and the consumption step are new. This is things we did for this purpose. Basically, the Odoo module repair is just a document to track reparation. There is no real stock moves behind. So we added the preparation step and the consumption of the pieces we will use in our reparation process. So here I will choose, I will change for this product the leg and the drawer. Donc, so for this, for the products I am adding, the first one, I don't have products, I don't have quantity in my stock, and for the other one I have quantity. I have 8 units, and we will see how the repair order will manage this case. So if I confirm my repair order, I look to the preparation. I see here I have one preparation move, 2 preparation moves, one for the drawer and one for the leg. Only one which is available. It makes sense. I have stock only for the drawer, but I don't have for the leg. And here the operation is, well, it's from my main stock to the preparation location. And if I go back to the repair order and I take a look to the purchase orders, I see that I have now a purchase order for the missing product. Here for the corner desk leg, I have a purchase order that is filled with my supplier info already defined on the product. If I confirm my order, I will have here reception picking, and if I set the quantity, validate, go back to the repair order, and go back to the preparation, I will see here that my corner desk leg is now available because I received the product, so I can do the preparation move and move the product from my main stock to the repair location. So set quantity. Before validate, let's see if the repair order will let me start the repair. Yes, it accepted it. So let's validate. It will not let me finish the reparation before the preparation. So here my repair order is under repair. And the repair here, and I'm now in the stage of waiting consumption, this new state added to the module. And here we can see my operations from repair from the repair location to the virtual location production. So this two product will be consumed, and I will have my corner desk left seat at the end in my repair location. So I need to validate it. Go back. Now it has the state repaired, and my product, if I open here my product, I can see for the quantity on hand I have in the repair location already two because I did other tests. So go back to the RMA. Now I can now I can return the product to the customer, deliver it, and that's done. So I repaired my product, ship it to my customer. So what we saw in this example, all this what we saw is on RMA repository and repair repository. This is the list of modules I used in this demonstration. We are working now on migrating everything to version 18. We started the work in the code sprint. It's in progress. It will be done in the next weeks, I believe. And we will happy to see other contributors working on it to improve it, migrate it to version 19, other version. That's it for me. If there is questions, I'm happy to answer it.